Hello again, and welcome back to Tech ARP. Today, we're getting up close with all three colors of the latest Fan Edition smartphone from Samsung, the Galaxy S26 FE. Let's kick off this hands-on experience with the hero color, a vibrant light green option called Pistachio. Regardless of which shade you pick, every Galaxy S26 FE comes equipped with an unpainted aluminum frame featuring a clean, matte finish. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray sitting right next to the USB Type-C data and charging port. Moving over to the right side, the power button and volume rocker are right up near the top where you'd expect them. And around the top frame, it's completely clean, save for two microphone pinholes. Flipping over to the front, Samsung kept the same 12-megapixel selfie camera centered inside that spacious 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Turn it around and the triple camera array on the back remains unchanged from last year. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom. No matter which color option you go for, they look completely identical from the front, a matte aluminum frame with black bezels around the 6.7-inch display. Now let's take a look at the purplish-blue color option called Blueberry. Notice that back panel? Samsung adopted the shiny glass back style from the Galaxy A57 here. While it might look decidedly less premium than a matte finish, it does make fingerprint smears harder to notice. It might not be immediately obvious, but the Galaxy S26 FE is actually a tiny bit taller and wider than its predecessor by about 0.3 millimeters, likely due to a slightly reinforced frame. While the overall thickness hasn't changed, it does feel just marginally heavier in the hand. Samsung confirmed the S26 FE offers the exact same protection as the S25 FE, featuring Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back, protected by an armor aluminum frame. Finally, we have this understated gray color option called Graphite. Under the hood, the biggest and frankly, only major hardware upgrade in the S26 FE is the jump to the Samsung Exynos 2500 processor. Manufactured on a cutting-edge 3nm process, this flagship chip brings a significantly more powerful GPU and NPU to handle heavier tasks and AI processing. Beyond that performance bump, though, there isn't much else new under the hood to entice potential buyers. You're looking at the same 4,900 mAh battery capacity, along with the exact same support for 45-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. Even the memory and storage configurations carry over from before, giving you 8 GB of RAM paired with either 128, 256, or 512 GB of internal storage. Honestly, it feels a bit like a last-minute project, like someone said, "Hey, let's swap the processor. Slap on the glass back from the A series and go grab a drink." So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S26 FE? And out of Pistachio, Blueberry, and Graphite, which color would you pick? Drop a comment down below and let us know. If you enjoyed this hands-on preview, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech ARP for more tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.